What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today we're going to be doing another episode on building my Mazda B2200. This is episode 3 of replacing my brakes. We're going to see how this goes. We already got the drum pieces off and we've taken a look at all this. For some reason these brakes look clean more than these other ones. See how much brake dust is all over that? And if you look in here, these are shot. These have an entire lip on the outside. These ones don't have a lip. That's how terrible my brakes were. In order to make your brakes not look like that at the end, is to put it together like that and not like this. This piece right here is underneath this piece, but this piece over here is how it's supposed to be done right. So we're gonna get to it after we air compress all the dust, brake dust out of here, and we'll see you then.
These are actually new. Like, if you look at the new brake shoes, how thick they are, and look at how thick these are, they're about the same. These are new, but they that up and it the drum up.
So we just blew it all off with the air compressor. Looks a lot better. We're gonna just do this side most likely, because this side's the worst because they messed up. If you look at it from the side right here, that's directly straight against it. This piece right here is supposed to be even with this piece, but they have the spring underneath here. I'm trying to get the camera to adjust to the light. They have the spring right here behind this, and this is supposed to be in front of this, so, or behind this. So basically we need to take this apart and fix it. You basically have to pull that out.
Yeah. But see that groove?
Yeah.
And that thing that looks like a nail?
Yeah, that's the pin.
You gotta spin that into the groove. So, like that. And then it pops off.
Okay.
And that comes out the back.
And the same for this side. So you need to take that little pin right there. Let's see if I can point at it. Right there. And spin it into the groove directly 90 degrees. After you get the pins out, these are only held on with the springs. Right up there, right down there, and then right behind there. You can see. So once we take the springs out, this should come off after we unhook this from the pads.
No, that can stay. The wheel cylinder can stay.
Oh, we need to unhook it from here.
No.
That came off pretty easy. That's the brake cable, isn't it?
Yeah, that's for the emergency brake. And that's that. Now these, you have to remember, front and back. That one goes to the back.
And this is the front.
And this little doohickey, see this lever?
That goes to the emergency.
No. Where was that spring? Right there. This is the self-adjuster. This rod Remember I said we had to spin the wheel with the screwdriver to back them off?
Yeah.
That's what you spin off. That's the wheel. That adjusts the brake.
Oh, okay.
Here. See how that rod goes in? And then
Yeah.
this locks against the teeth.
Oh, okay.
When you step on the brake and they open up, this spin, it goes click, 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 click. It's a self-adjuster to adjust the brakes up.
Okay.
Okay, now. What the I've never seen that in my entire life. Well, see this brake hose?
Yeah.
On most trucks, because this is the back brake, you have a brake line that goes from the master cylinder by the pedal all the way back here, and it goes to this hose, and then normally it tees off a T, so then this one line becomes two, so you have one for the right and one for the left. This silly setup, this brake line goes in this wheel cylinder, and then this comes out of the wheel cylinder all the way to the other side. So if this piece here starts to leak, you lose brakes on both sides.
Jeez.
Instead of losing just one. Which that's the first time I've seen that. That's crazy to me.
So Mazda did it the cheapest way. What's your truck look like?
It has the T. See the T? The brake hose is here. It goes to a T. One to that side, one to that side. This little rubber plug here. That's where you stick your screwdriver
Oh, I was looking for the hole. I couldn't see it.
to turn this. To adjust the brakes. Yeah, so if that drum didn't come off, you have to stick a screwdriver through here and turn this wheel to the brake shoes close enough to get the drum off. Because normally, see that lip? See the lip? The brake shoe gets stuck in that lip and won't let the drum slide off because there's that lip. So you have to back them off to slide past that lip. Normally. I think we loosen those bolts and pop that out.
Which bolts are we loosening? Right on the back
Those
of this.
four, yeah.
So right over there, we loosen these ones.
And you should be able to slide this whole. Well, take these bolts out. These four bolts got to come out.
Yeah, they're
And then
tens.
the whole axle should slide out. Nope.
All right, now that we have got all four of those bolts undone from the inside, now we need to disconnect the cables, the brake lines. And this should come off. I didn't get to film it because I was wrenching on it.
You want to be careful because brake fluid is extremely flammable. And it's leaking right now. That didn't
Spilled somewhere.
Out of the bottom line. That's gonna snap off. Something was leaking.
So we got it all off. I don't know what next step is. I think we'll actually take the axle out all the way. We gotta
Chuki beat.
Side hammer, no, we don't need that. Oil baffle. What's an oil baffle? 4, 5, 6. How's the table come out? Alexa, how's the table come out?
It doesn't say, man. It says pass it through the backing plate. So that should just come out of there. It doesn't want to come out of there. Let me see. Yep.
Boom.
Now, I don't have that. Don't have that.
Chuki beat.
There it goes. Ha!
We damaged the sides of those though
How? That'd be
with
alright.
the screwdriver.
Yeah, I just need to tighten it back up. I wonder if they left the spacer out. That book says a spacer. salvage it. But this,
Chuki B.
that's what's fucking it up right there. There it goes. I've never seen this shit. That made it worse. Yes, if we gotta get a new one, we gotta get a new one.